Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is HYDERABADI BAGAAR-E BAINGAN. So let's start making it. Place the vessel on medium flame and add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Saute them and grind it to a paste. Now add the eggplants in oil and fry them for 70%. Now remove onto a plate. Add 1 bay leaf, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, add 1 medium sized grinded onion and tomato puree, then add the grounded paste, saute it well till the oil separates. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix well and add half a cup of tamarind puree, with some fried eggplants, and cook for 10 minutes. Add half a cup of water and yeah, your curry is all ready. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button for instant notification.